Alright family, so just get a new shipment of batteries. It's an all new set of batteries. We've never stocked them before. It's a trusted brand, but it's a new size battery. So I can't hold back the excitement. So we're going to do a little reveal and let's see what we got. Woo! Alright. So that is it for your Deye inverters. Not saying that you can't work with other batteries, but I do recommend Deye batteries. So before we usually stock the 5 kilowatt hour batteries, we still do, but we realized that for some customers they want to do big systems and it was just adding up to be too many batteries. So we got the 10 kilowatt hour batteries now. So basically instead of 8 batteries you just need like 4 of these. I've never seen these batteries before, so right now we're going to open my box and let's see what we got. Oh, it's like Christmas. All right, so here we are. So we got the manual. This one comes with all the communication cables and jump cables, grounding cable. More cables. To save some money. The battery comes with some mounting hardware to hang it on the wall if you want to hang it on the wall. Well pad up. Okay, this is what I wanted to make sure set have. These are legs. So these batteries come with legs, so you can stack them on top of each other. It's a versatile battery. Just like the 5 kilowatt hour version, but you know, this is double the size. Truth be told, there's some savings. You're going to save on installation because it's less batteries to pay to install. The cost as well. If you buy 2 of the 5 kilowatt hour battery, it works out to more than buy 1 of these. So that's a big deal. Especially if you're building a big system, it adds up. The difference in cost. Sticker come off here now. Whoa, hold on there. I know I'm weak, you know. But let's see. Okay, just a neat packaging. Yeah man, it's a 10 kilowatt hour battery. It's supposed to weigh at least 100 pounds. Alright, see it now. Every little money add up, you know. Again, every little money add up when you build a big system. So the breaker, imagine you buy a 10 breaker, it adds up. So this one comes with its own breaker. That is savings. Wires them and everything there. Very nice. You know. Nice simple setup. Communication ports. And here, let's take a look at the label. So for those of you who want to know what the Deye battery is all about, all of you techies out there, I can't wait to start to install some of these. 4 of them going out tomorrow. Next day, 3 of them going out that I know of. As with everything else is while stocks last, you, the customer, is going to be more satisfied when you're dealing with a company that actually have inventory. So we just get a container load. Right now we have inventory. And I really stress out myself, kind of keep it that way. When I like run out of stock. So don't expect that from me. For the price, just give us a call. No, WhatsApp us. They're going to be competitive price. Keep in mind that when you buy this battery, you don't have to buy a breaker. Most likely you don't have to buy much wires. If you're going to do a lot of them, then you probably have to buy a set of bus bars and maybe some thicker wires. It's going to be a really good price. Very good price. Call us. I've been seeing some videos online about solar scam. Usually it's videos from America. And in the US, they seem to be selling a lot of grid tie systems to homeowners in the United States. And That's a huge problem. I wouldn't say it's a scam, because if you do your research, you would realize and use your common sense. Then would have realized you need batteries to run your house at night time when you get home. So again, family, batteries, that is where it's at in a solar. Anybody can put up some solar panels, but if you don't have no batteries, you have to go use the power during the day. And if a little cloud go by, you don't have no backup. If power go away, you don't have no backup. You'll be in darkness. In 2025, right now, batteries is the most important thing. Jamaican people smart when it comes to that, because I've noticed a lot of people with grid tie at their house. But it's a thing that I've been seeing online about solar scam, and I wouldn't call it a scam, but grid tie is the wrong approach for your house. You need batteries. Get yourself a hybrid inverter or a half-grid inverter. Depends on your situation, right? And depends on how much money you want to spend. I'm excited to say we have the 10 kilowatt hour Deye batteries. Still have the 5 kilowatt hour as well. This is going to be a big cost advantage if you're building a big system. So come get them. All right? Until next time, take care of yourself.